The nodes of Vedic astrology, Rahu and Ketu, are changing their signs on 30th of May 2025. As per the true node calculation, Rahu will be moving out of Meena Rashi and will come to Kumbha Rashi, and Ketu will move out of Kanya Rashi and will come to Simha Rashi. This transit results will be applicable from 30th of May 2025 until 25th of November 2026. Rahu being in his own Rashi or the Rashi which he considers as its own, we can expect tremendous amount of positive results or amazing results in the field of technology. There could be technical revolution, medical discoveries, space technology may improve to a very vast significance and to some great extent as well. So something beyond imagination also can happen, or new technologies may emerge which is beyond our imagination. Whereas Ketu, the tail or the other end of the Rakshas Svarbhanu, will be transiting in Simha Rashi, affecting the people in leadership roles or in high dignitary positions, authority, or in the powerful positions. It may cause some kind of threat to the ruler of the country, or through any secret agencies or intelligence agency may get an information that the ruler of the country is in threat, or the ruler of the country or the very prominent person of the country may quit the position through his or her own decision, citing age issues, health issues, or whatever it is. So the next 18 months definitely will be a very happening months, because we will see a great amount of good results from Rahu end, and but also the negative results from Ketu end. So during this time is when we may see the rise of pandemic as well, because Ketu is virus, and when he conjuncts with Kuja or Mangal in Simha Rashi, it will affect the health of the general public, and also the immorality in the public will rise. Drug addiction or any kind of immoral activities also will rise. So police forces would be in a very great action, army would be in action. So there are lot things to happen during this 18 months. So if you want to know more about this predictions, do follow my channel Ramya Jyotish. I'll be releasing a video on the Medini Jyotish predictions on Rahu Ketu transit only on Ramya Jyotish YouTube channel. So subscribe and keep waiting. It will be released either by tonight or by tomorrow morning. Stay tuned.